Hey guys, I didn't record a lot because it's going to be a lot longer build, but as most of you know, I have a CRF 230 dirt bike, and we bought a tire, but we're not putting that on yet because that one still has tread, but we stuck on the Yoshimura RS2 Enduro Series exhaust, which is all that we stuck on a new racing air filter, and work my way around here. We got hangers we're putting on right now, and that. So I will see you guys when we get this all ready. There's my older bike. We got, it's going on now, the mount, because you have to buy everything separate, but this is my favorite out of the whole bike. It's my exhaust. Okay. There's our vehicles side by side. Huh. The garage. Just fell. Here you go. No, but these are power made things. This vent does pop out, but then I got the parts for that, the hand guards. I got new goggles for all JT and all them. Isaac Nelson, which Redneck Nelson knows. Even my family knows I needed a new pair of goggles because when I try to act like I have common sense, I get dusted out. So this is basically be back once we get one of them on. So yeah, and see ya. Back. Look, the handguards are on, and this piece does pop out. But right now we're putting this. Right now we're putting this tire on, cause the tires are still stock, but we only bought a rear tire. Just look at this. There's no tread whatsoever. And I think we might grease the brakes, the rear brakes up, and that's probably all. Once it's done, I'm gonna put pictures on Instagram and all that. But yeah, so I'd probably record a little bit into the beginning, but yeah.